Hi guys, we're home.
We just got home from school,
Yeah.
and there's something waiting for us in the living room. Let's go check it out.
It's a prize.
It is. We'll go in there and see what you see. Is there a box? What is that?
It's a present.
What? Wait a second.
It's a present.
Well, who's it for?
Me.
It's for you?
Oh. It's a puppy.
What is that?
It's a puppy.
Is that a puppy? Oh my goodness.
I wanted a bulldog, but that's a bulldog.
That is a bulldog.
We got him a cage.
She's looking at you. Oh, I think you want to take her outside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And put her in a cage.
Do you want to pick her up? Can you pick her up?
Yeah.
She's so heavy. Can you get her?
Can you?
Oh, can you get her?
Is
Is she too heavy? Okay, how about I pick her up and let you hold her?
Okay.
Oh, are you gonna do it? She's a big chunky, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold your hands out. Here she is. I'm gonna let you hold her. Now she's just a baby, so you have to be really gentle with her. Oh, she crawled. Oh, she likes your shoes. She wants to play. She wants to play with you. Oh, she's gonna give you. She wants.
Is that a black shoe?
Can you pick her up?
Yeah.
Is she big? Is she too big for you to pick up? Oh. She's gonna get you. Oh. Uh-oh.
Guys, we just take her outside.
We've got her right
We
here.
name her.
We did. What are we gonna name her?
Kua.
Kua? Cora? How about Lola?
Yola.
All right, let's go put her over here.
Yeah.
Come on.
I wanted it.
You did. All right, let's put her.
I'm gonna see that with Sissy.
You're gonna share it with. Oh, she's gonna get you. Here she goes. She's chasing after you. Oh, where's Caleb? Are you guys gonna play? Oh no, Lola's getting me, Caleb. Lola's getting me. Ah!
No. Yeah.
Uh-oh. She's coming to get you. Hi, Lola. Oh, Lola's trying to ride on your car over there. Look at her. She's trying to get up there and ride on your car.
I'll do.
Oh, I think she's too little to ride.
Oh, little.
You know, she's a baby, so she just looks at everything. She's exploring.
You wanna eat it?
No, that one's too big. Ah!
No.
Hi, Lola. Oh! So what do you think of your new puppy?
Good.
Do you love her?
Yeah.
Look at, doesn't she so cute? She gives lots of puppy kisses. Oh! She gave you a kiss! She's so cute.
I'm a teacher.
Are you teaching her? Is she? Oh! She still gets you. Hi, Lola. Oh, she's looking for you, Caleb. Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Uh-oh. Can you get him, Lola? Can you get him? Can you get him? Is he giving you puppy kisses?
Yeah.
Aw. See, she likes if you rub her face, like her head, and give her pets.
I want to do this.
She loves that. Here she comes. Oh, she likes your shirt.
Like a George.
Yeah.
It's a puppy doll.
Where'd she go? Is she hiding from you? Oh, there she is. You want to pick her up? Oh. I think she's sleepy. You know, puppies get sleepy really quick. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Is she getting your shoes? She's getting you.
Look at me.
You gotta sit down so she can get you. There. There. She's getting you. She giving you kisses. She likes you. She likes Caleb. Are you hungry, Lola? You think she's hungry? Oh, she said yes. Here, ask her again. Are you hungry, Lola?
Are you hungry, Lola?
I think she's hungry. Let's go feed her.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Come on, Lola. Come on, Lola. Let's go eat. You got our food. Okay, so the person that we bought Lola from gave us the special food. So we've got to order some. So I'm gonna put Lola down, and Caleb.
Oh no!
Oh no, Lola! There's nothing in there. So Caleb's gonna give her some food because I bet she's hungry. You think she's hungry after playing all that?
Yeah.
I bet so. Lola! Come here, Lola. There's your food. Oh no, that's okay. Come here, Lola, look. There's a feast. Look, I bet she's gonna find it. Look, Lola. Look. Yeah.
I'm gonna eat it.
She's gonna eat it? Oh man, oh no.
It's in there.
It's in the bowl, Lola. She's silly. Oh, she likes your food, Caleb.
Do?
Yeah, look at her eating.
But my hands are dirty.
Oh, your hands are dirty because you were outside playing with Lola. I think your pants
I'm
are dirty.
gonna do it again.
We are. We're gonna let her eat.
And presto.
Hey, guess what? Sissy doesn't know we have Lola yet, so we have to keep it a secret. Shh. Can you keep it a secret?
Yeah.
You can't tell her.
I'm gonna open that bowl.
Yeah, that's her bed. That's where she sleeps, huh? When she gets tired, she's gonna go in there and sleep after she eats her food.
Oh, tired.
She is.
Oh, come.
Where's she going? She's looking for Caleb. There he is. Do you love Lola?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Already pooped.
You want to keep her? Yeah, we're trying to get her to go potty. We got to teach her how to go, huh? If you want to see more videos of Lola and Caleb, hi Caleb. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Lola out.
Loud.